But this wasn't just an officer driving tipsy. It was an alarming intoxication level, and a test to see if different rules apply to different people.
Investigative reporter Wendy Halloran joins us with her exclusive story, Professional Courtesy. Wendy. Professional courtesy, that's how it's referred to when police look out for their own. Cops shouldn't ticket or arrest other cops unless there are aggravating circumstances. Officers expecting them to look the other way. Lieutenant Rick Vandalver works for the Minnesota Police Department in the Patrol Division. He also used to investigate other officers as an internal affairs investigator. On a February evening when the lieutenant was pulled over by Gilbert Police, he invoked his common cop card and maligned the arresting officer. Would he wiggle his way out of it? If that was you, do you think he'd avoid arrest?
Yeah, my copy, please. I ask you, please get off.
Mesa Police Lieutenant Rick Vandalver would much rather you didn't know about his arrest. That wouldn't be the first time he's had interaction with Gilbert Police.
911 with Gilbert.
It was February 12th, rush hour traffic on Friday. Hardworking people on their way home after a long work week. Nearly hitting the median multiple times as the driver turned onto Warner Road from Dobson Road. The caller had no idea who was behind the wheel. Gilbert Police Officer Gonzalo Dominguez was in pursuit of the driver with a fallen officer's specialty license plate when he turned right onto Lindsay Road from Warner Road, swerving back and forth within the lane. Dominguez, a rookie cop, was just starting his field training. Patrol Officer Josiah Sullivan, whose training is with him. Officer Dominguez unloads Vandalver's pistol. He would later contradict himself. The responding officers seem handcuffed. Is Vandalver implying they're supposed to ignore his actions and give him professional courtesy? Remember, he claims he had one beer. Vandalver refuses a field sobriety test, warns them to park his car and allow him to walk in.
Hello?
Hey Dad, I'm sorry to wake you, but I need your help.
What's up?
There's tornado warnings going off. You're getting past Daytona. I'm past Daytona, and it's horrendous. It's like I'm in a fucking war zone.
Okay, what do you
I just
need?
need you to go on and see if there's any active tornadoes and where they're at, and like kind of guide me so if I know where I gotta go.
What do you mean? You gotta stay on I-75.
I know, but if there's a tornado, it's gonna go across it. I don't want to be driving down it.
Hold on.
I mean, my phone's just blowing up with warnings, and I don't have nowhere to take shelter. That's what it told me to do.
Where are you at?
Hold on 1 second. I'm passing exit 63. It's the